I'm here today with an amazing video. Uses of ash in our poultry farm. What are the uses of ash in our poultry farm? What are the benefits? So in today's video, we are going to look at the benefits of ash in our poultry farms and how we are going to prepare this ash to our poultry farm, and how often do we apply or serve ash to our beds. So let's get started. We are going to look at the benefits of ash in our poultry farms. So number one benefit is that ash helps in clearing all the pests in our poultry farm when mixed with the beddings. So this ash that you are seeing, it helps in clearing pests in our poultry farms when mixed with their beddings. Another benefit is that ash reduces the smell in our poultry farms. Whenever you add ash to their beddings, it reduces smell in our poultry farm, which means in your neighborhood, no complaint. You're not going to have any complaint of smell in your poultry farm. Another benefit is that it also acts as a healing agent in our poultry farms. Ash acts as a healing agent in our poultry farms. Ash also helps in detoxifying the digestive system of our birds. So, I advise, if you are a farmer, I will advise you to add ash, at least, even on their beddings. When you add ash, you are going to see so many changes in your poultry farm. You are going to see so many positive changes in your poultry farm. And another benefit of ash to our poultry farms is ash helps in clearing Newcastle diseases from our poultry farms. Yes, ash helps in clearing Newcastle diseases from our poultry farm. So here I will advise that whenever you stock your birds, I will advise that you follow all the vaccines. Serve them all the vaccines. It's better to serve vaccines even if you are going to continue with the organic way of farming. Even if you are going to continue with the organic way, I will advise that you give your birds their vaccines. There is nothing wrong when you give your birds vaccines. So another benefit is that ash helps to cure diarrhea in our poultry farms. When your birds are having diarrhea, I can assure you that the ordinary ash can take care of that. It can take care of that. It can cure diarrhea in our poultry farms. So now, how do we give ash to our poultry farms. How do we give ash to our birds? You can add ash to their drinking water. Someone may ask, how am I going to add ash to their drinking water? Just wait. That's the number one. Number one, you can add ash to their drinking water. That's the first method. You can choose to add to their drinking water. So if you want to add to their drinking water, you can give it for prevention 30 mils to 10 mils of water 3 times in a week. Just 3 times in a week for prevention. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. I do apply for prevention. I don't want to experience the situation whereby I will need to be giving them for treatment. So it's better to always apply it for prevention. That's number one method that you can, as I said it earlier, that you can add to their drinking water. And if you are adding to their drinking water, you give for prevention 30 mils to 10 mils of 10 mils of water 3 times in a week, and you are good to go. Coccidiosis will be the thing of the past. It also cures coccidiosis. And also, the second method is that you can mix it with their beddings. You can mix it with their beddings. If you are looking at when I brought the ash inside, they were trying to feed on the ash. So even if you poured it on their beddings, they will definitely feed on the ash, and it has no harm on them. So we have seen the benefits of ash to our poultry farm. And one thing with this method is that you don't need to spend money to go and buy ash. All what you need is to look for wood ash. Yes, this is what we are going to use. It's only wood ash that will be able to apply. I'm not talking of plastic